Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is Walkstar and I'm back with another behind the scenes video. I know, already. It seems like I just did one, and I guess I did just do one, but it gives me an excuse to use my brand new Razer Kiyo camera. And if you haven't seen that video yet, you definitely should check it out. The unboxing experience was something that I knew was going to be fun, but I didn't think it was going to be as much fun as it was rather. And you may have noticed in the last video that I posted, that I'm still using the old camera. That's because I was still streaming on the old camera when I streamed for those videos, or when I gathered footage for those videos. So naturally, it's going to be a bit of time before the new camera starts showing up in all of those gameplay videos. Now, I don't know if you know this. I'm sure you know this if you've been around the YouTube space for a while now, but YouTube Shorts are something that is really encouraging for a lot of creators to get into. YouTube's done a whole bunch of stuff to push shorts, and they've made them available on all of their platforms, which is great. Now, unfortunately, unless you're shooting it on your phone directly, there's no really simple way to get shorts of your clips edited down into portrait mode to get then posted onto YouTube as shorts. Now, there are apps. Streamlabs just released Crossclip, but it's still in beta, and it's... I'm excited to see what they do with it in the future. But I just discovered today, while fiddling around and trying to figure it out for myself, how to go from landscape mode to portrait mode, excuse me while I knock around my microphone a bunch more, in Davinci Resolve, the editing software that I use for my videos. So, we're going to head over to there, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to create shorts from now on based on the content that either doesn't make it into videos. I got to stop knocking this microphone. Content that either doesn't make it into videos or is cut as previews or bits from those videos to encourage you to go check out the full videos. And we're going to walk through creating a short clip right now. So check this out. We're going to go over to here in my Davinci Resolve setup. But first, these are kind of in the way, so we're going to remove these. Obviously, these are just basic socials. So, you know, now that you've got those memorized, I'm going to move them out of the way. And obviously, I'm still here too. So what you're going to do is you're going to go into File. You're going to go down to Project Settings. And under here, you'll have changed the timeline resolution to custom, and you're going to change it to 720 by 1280. So that's going to let you have a sort of a portrait instead of a landscape. And I've already set that up, so I can just click cancel. Now we're going to import our clip. In this case, it was a short that I put together, just a clipping from the Sonic Adventure 2 randomizer video I did quite a bit ways back. Drag this guy into here. And you're going to notice when I play it that there's lots of black border around it. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this guy, take this clip, we're going to start by cropping it down. We're going to crop it so I've got my face out of the way and you only see the video. Okay? We're going to then transform that, move that up to here, and then we're going to transform it and make it nice and big so it fills the screen. Maybe not totally full, but fills the screen to a point where it is now the main thing. And now, this was the part that blew my mind when I figured this out. It took me a second and I got really frustrated and I couldn't figure out what to do next. But check this out. Now, if I drag this into here again, now I have essentially the video overplaying itself, right? So what I do is I move this one, no, not that one, sorry, not that one. I move this one down, okay? And I think you can see where I'm going with this. I make it nice and I move this one down, and then I crop it down to my just the face. Okay. And then I'd set it to transform, move it over to here, and I can make it nice and big and fill the bottom part of the screen. So now I end up with a full short video in portrait mode without having to use a third-party mobile app. And now I can get this onto my phone however I can once it's rendered and upload it as just that, and upload it as a YouTube short. So what we're going to do now is we're going to take this video, make sure it plays well, put on the old headphonies so I can hear myself, so I can hear the video. Whoa. As you can clearly see, I've made a mistake in lining up the two clips. If you're going to do this, you have to make sure that the clips are lined up perfectly, or you end up getting that double audio effect. Hard music in this game just slaps. I don't think I can beat this level. Okay, well, we're gonna go ahead and start another rando seed, I guess, because that one just didn't work. Okay, this time I might actually be. And now, as you can see, I have the whole, almost the whole video ready to go. Obviously, I'll have to do a little bit of trimming just to make sure that it all fits in nicely, but ideally, this would be a great way to create shorts content or short form content without having to use any kind of third-party app or complicated mobile app or anything like that. You can do it all in Davinci Resolve. So thank you very much for checking out another behind the scenes video. My name is Walkstar. Look forward to more short form content that's going to be coming out hopefully as time goes on and as I sort of refine this new system that I've put together. Don't forget that I stream every Tuesday at 5 p.m. P.S.T. over at twitch.tv/walkstars. If you like this video, fantastic. That'd be lovely of you. Share it with a friend and subscribe to the channel if you like what I'm doing here. Now drink some water and have a great day.